Want to drive a boat in California? You need a California boater card in 2025, and getting one is easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to get a boater card in California. Who needs the card? If you are under 60 years old, you are required to have a California boater card to legally operate a motorized vessel on state waters. As of 2025, that includes everyone age 60 and younger. No excuses. It's the law. Step 2. Take a state-approved course. You need to take a state-approved boating safety course. These are available online or in person. Popular online options include Boat Smart, iLearn2Boat. They will cost you around $30 to $50, and most take 3 to 5 hours to complete. Make sure the course is NASBLA approved and accepted by California State Parks Division of Boating and Waterways. Step 3. Pass the final exam. After completing the course, you will take a final exam. Usually 60 questions. Do not stress. You can retake it if needed. Once you pass, you will get a certificate of completion. Apply for the card online. Now go to californiaboatercard.com and click Apply Now. Fill out the form, upload your certificate, and pay a $10 one-time fee. That is it. You will receive your temporary card by email right away, and the official card will arrive in the mail in a few weeks. Now, a piece of advice of a brother to you. Once you get the card, always carry it while operating a boat. Law enforcement can ask to see it, and not having it may lead to a fine. Quick bonus steps. Always wear a life jacket. Check the weather before heading out. Never overload your boat. Never operate under the influence. The laws are similar to DUIs. And that is how you get your California boater card in 2025. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.